loves, thank you so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Arapana and I do a lot of clothing hauls, styling videos for a curvier body, but of course you do not have to have a curvier body to watch anyone's YouTube videos because I watch a lot of try on hauls of every different shape, size, height, all of that, because I do find it helpful to see how clothes look on other body types as well. So if you like content such as styling videos, try on hauls, clothing hauls, occasional beauty, motherhood content, bougie on a budget videos, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, also because it simply just helps me out with the algorithm and I do really appreciate it. So I would love it if you would do that for me. And today's video is very exciting because your girl was finally noticed by Walmart. I have done so many Walmart videos over the past year, and today's video is my very first collaboration video with Walmart. So thank you Walmart for sponsoring today's video. A huge thank you to them. So before I get on to the try on clothing portion, I wanted to share two accessory pieces with you guys. So this is the first accessory piece that I found. This is just a pair of earrings and they do have the evil eye on them, and these ones caught my attention because one, the price, they're only $5.92. That's a steal, and they're good quality and they're hypoallergenic. So these are a little evil eye. So this is what they look like up close. They are absolutely adorable. I am going to switch out into these earrings when I start my try on portion because I mean these are absolutely adorable, and I like the fact that the stone in the middle is clear. Usually it's blue, so I like the little subtle difference. So very pretty, and I just had to get these. And of course I had to pick up a pair of sandals because look how pretty these are. They're just a simple basic sandal, but the color is going to go well with so many outfits, so I just had to grab these. They are so soft. The price point is just perfect, so I had to share these with you guys. So this is what the heel looks like. This part here does have a little cushion, and as you can see it goes around your ankle. So I am going to be wearing this in the try on portion, but I wanted to show you a closer look of the sandal before I tried it on. This is what the buckle looks like. So it is adjustable and it's like a brass type of finish. I love it. Okay, so this is the very first outfit I wanted to show you guys. This is what I had on in the intro just now. So let's start off with this top. Well, actually let's start off with the earrings. So these are pretty much what the earrings look like on. Very lightweight, very dainty, very pretty. Love them, so cute. And then I have this shirt, which I really like. It's a little bit different. It's very soft. Again, everything is just super affordable. Walmart is affordable, so you never really have to worry about pricing there. And what's different about this shirt is that it has this little like peekaboo cutout right here, but it's low enough where it's not showing your bra. So I really like that detail. And this part here, you can see you can actually cinch it in and make it tighter or looser if you want the hole to be like a little bit smaller. So you can adjust this piece, which I do like. The little details make such a difference, and this top is just darling. Like look at the ruching detail. It fits so well. It's just lightweight. This part here is like a little puff sleeve, and of course if you want to wear it like off the shoulder, you can just like pull it down and wear it off the shoulder like that as well. So this top has options. You can wear it like that off the shoulder just like I showed you. And then these jeans are super high-waisted and I love it. I love a good like button fly jean. These are by Sophia. You guys know I always talk about the Sophia jeans because they are that good. So I found these at Walmart and obsessed. Like these are just so cute. So you can wear them with like a crop top as well. Say this was like a cropped shirt, that's how it would look. And you can wear them with like longer shirts as well because it doesn't look bad even though the button is right there. Very comfortable. I would say they run true to size. And these are the sandals that I just showed you guys. This is what they look like on my feet. They are so soft and comfortable. These are definitely going to be a staple all summer because even though this is a brown cognac color, I just love the way it looks in the summertime. It still looks so pretty, and you can definitely transition the sandal into the fall time. And as you can see, it wraps around your ankle. Very comfortable. Usually sometimes sandals like these, the toe area can be a little tight and uncomfortable, but these are soft. They are faux leather, and I do feel like the sandals match the colors in this top as well. So if you're into floral print, I think you're going to really like this top. I believe it comes in other patterns as well, so be sure to check the links in the description box to shop all of these items that I am showing you. But yeah, this is the first little outfit. I have a bunch of tops to show you guys, and then I will move into like the next outfit. But yeah, absolutely love it. So next up we have this top paired with the same jeans and the same sandals. I only got one pair of jeans for this video, so I'm going to be wearing it throughout the video. This top, soft, lightweight, and so cute. It comes in a bunch of different colors. Of course, I had to go with the neutral one, and I love this little detail up here. I like the way it looks. It's very like pretty and a little bit feminine, so I do really like that. Super comfortable. I love these little like tortoise shell buttons. I always like buttons like these. Something about them just like attracts me to them. This is just perfect. A cute little summer outfit, your sandals and a cute little top. Nothing crazy, just very simple, but looks very cute at the same time, and also very inexpensive. So yeah, I really like these, and if you wanted, you could like tuck the top into your jeans if you wanted to, make it a little bit more cropped. So I do really like this top, and this would be a really nice layering piece in the fall time and the winter time as well. So definitely another staple piece, because you can pretty much wear this top all year round. Wear it by itself or layer it once it gets a little bit colder. Love this top, and it'll go with so many different bottoms. I feel like the possibilities are endless with this top, so definitely a closet staple. Next up we have this cute fun top as well. Something about this top just like drew me to it. It looks so cute. Again, same shoes, same jeans. You can wear this top with so many different bottoms as well. Shorts, different types of jeans, different colors. This top I think would look really nice with some white jeans or like tan jeans or khaki, you know, something like that. I think it would look really cute. So it's like a very sporty, cute, fun top. It is short sleeves. This is by No Boundaries. I believe both tops that I've showed you so far are both by No Boundaries, and No Boundaries is a juniors brand, so I typically do size up for that brand. This one I did size up as well, so this is in an XXL, and it fits perfectly fine. I feel comfortable in it, and these high-waisted jeans just make everything more comfortable. High-waisted jeans are my friend. I like mid-rise, but I just love high-waisted. I feel like it just helps you out. So I really like the way this one looks. Again, these sandals and these colors just play into each other so well. So I really like this, and I feel like this yellow is perfect for the summertime right now, but it's also a really nice color for the fall time. So another easy, great transitional piece. Sorry if it's a little bit wet here. I was drinking some water, and of course I dropped it on my shirt because I'm clumsy. So if it looks a little stained there, it's just water. So yeah, I love this top. It is a ribbed material. It is a little bit thicker. These buttons can be undone, so you can make it like a little bit more open, or you can close it all the way up if you want. So it's really up to you, or you can just like open one of the bottom buttons and wear it like that. Like that would be super cute as well. I've seen people do that, and it looks really nice on them. So that's another great option. I wish now that I had picked it up in other colors, because I really like it. It's so casual but so cute at the same time. So yeah, I might have to go and get this one in other colors, because I really like the look of this one. We just have a really simple casual tee. If you like Alice in Wonderland, you're going to love this tee. It's so cute, fun, whimsical. Like, look at it. There's like little faces here. There's Alice. It's just a really casual, fun tee. So this is what it looks like untucked. I did get this in an extra large because that was the only size left in the store, but I kind of wish I got it in an XXL, because although the sleeve is long, I wish the sleeve was like a little bit more oversized. I think I would have liked the look of the sleeve better that way. But yeah, it's just really cute, simple. You can wear this out, you can lounge in this tee, and of course I would just like tuck it in or something like that, because I like the way that looks a lot better. So yeah, just a really simple tee, and I think I would roll these sleeves up a little bit. So let me do that really quickly. Okay, so I rolled up the sleeves a little bit, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, I think I would have liked a more loose fitting sleeve. So yeah, that's how I would style this. So cute. I mean, if I was in the house, I would just untuck it. It's not a big deal when you're home, but if I'm going out and I want to be comfortable, I would just wear this. style this way, and I think it looks so cute, and my kids would probably get a kick out of this because of all the colors and all that stuff. They've never seen Alice in Wonderland. Maybe I should put it on for them to watch and see if they like it. So yeah, this is the full outfit. Super cute, easy, comfortable. I'm telling you, these jeans go with everything. They're high-waisted, they're comfortable, and Sophia's jeans are always like such good quality and they last such a long time. So yeah, I'm really excited that I found these. So next up we have this shirt. I know you guys said you like longer shirts because I do tend to show a lot of like shorter lengths or crop tops. So here is one that is a longer length. As you can see, it covers all the buttons on these jeans completely. So it's a really decent long length. It's very flattering because it flows out. It doesn't like hug anything on your stomach. So it's really pretty. Look at this lace detail that's here. It's super pretty. Look at that little like cap sleeve detail. Very cute. The neckline is very dainty. This top does come in other colors. I just went with the white one. I thought it was just a basic, really cute, simple color. This would go really well with dress pants as well if you're like wearing this into the office. So the other tops were by No Boundaries, and this top is by Scoop. I love Scoop pieces. They're a little bit more pricier than No Boundaries, but they're still super affordable for the quality, for the price. It's really great. You guys know this if you've watched any of my other Walmart videos. You know I love Scoop and I love like Free Assembly. That's a really good line as well. So yeah, I love this top. Very simple, very easy, casual. You can tuck this in to your jeans as well, which is probably what I would do. So this is what it looks like if you tuck it in. So it just gives you like a little bit of a different look once you like tuck it in. It's still flowy. So yeah, I really like this one. I think this is another staple piece. You can get a lot of staple pieces at Walmart for such an affordable price. The material on this one is just a little bit thicker, so it's somewhere between light to medium, but not like super thick where it's going to make you like super hot. So yeah, I love this top. So I've also showed you guys this bag before in a previous video. I love it. It's so cute. Just a really nice, simple nude tote. This really nice chevron pattern. Super cute. So if I was like going into the office or something like that, this is probably an outfit I would wear because it looks so cute but so casual at the same time. You look dressed up but you're super comfortable because I'm telling you, these sandals are comfortable and they will go with so many different outfits. I mean, I think I've showed you a couple outfits so far and they look great with all of them. Okay, so next up we have this little like cover up, I guess you would call it. I'm not really sure what you call this. I know there's an actual name for this type of piece, but I can't remember it, but I will pop it up here. So I found this. I think this is actually like a beach cover up. Like you can wear this over your swimsuit, but I actually like it paired with jeans and this tank. So this tank is actually from Walmart as well. Over the past year I've been getting my tanks from them. They are really inexpensive. They're like $3, like $2.97, $3.97, something like that. Very, very inexpensive, super cute. They come in a bunch of different colors. I just went with this one because I thought it looked nice underneath this. They come in like the ribbed material as well. I have a few of those. I love them. They come in different sizes, regular, plus size. So if you're looking for like a great layering piece, definitely get tanks from them because they're just the best price out there that I've seen so far. So I highly recommend them. I wear them under like my t-shirts and things like that in the summertime, and I layer them under my sweaters in the wintertime, fall time as well. So I just wanted to mention that to you. I feel like you can't beat a Walmart tank top price at all. And then this, I don't know, it's just giving me like designer looks for less. So you can definitely wear it like this with some jeans. I think it would look really pretty over shorts as well, or if you have on like a nice little dress and you put this over it, I think that would look cute too. I just have them paired with these jeans, but yeah, it's just really cute. So that's what the side of it looks like. The print does continue all the way around. If you wanted to, you could probably tie this up in the front like that or something, and then you have like that sort of a look. So you can definitely play around with this. This is just great even to like keep in your purse if you're like traveling and you go somewhere and the AC is just really it's just really cold, you can easily take this out of your purse and put it on, and you have a little bit of extra warmth. So yeah, if you're looking for something like this, I definitely recommend this one. The material is very soft. It looks more expensive than it is. So yeah, 10 out of 10, recommend this one. It's just super cute and soft and lightweight. Next up, we have this two-piece set. So I'm showing you the full outfit. This is a top by itself, and this is a skirt and the same sandals. So this outfit is really soft and it's super stretchy. So here's what it looks like a little bit closer up. It does have like a little scalloped detail here. I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit hard to see. So that's what the edges of the top look like, and the skirt also has a little bit of that scalloped detail as well. So I really like this one just because it's so lightweight, comfortable. It does come in other colors, so that's what the side of it looks like. So it is a shorter skirt, but it's not too short. I don't feel like super uncomfortable in it. So this outfit is really cute and simple, and it's also a great loungewear piece because it honestly feels like you have pajamas on. It's that lightweight and soft. So love this one. The material is not like super tight. I mean, the material is just everything. Also, I did size up to an XXL in this one because this again is by No Boundaries, and it's just like so cute. I also have a yellow one that's super cute, so if you don't like red, they do have other colors. I believe they have a black one as well. So yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend this. And this is what it would look like if you were to wear this top with a different pair of bottoms, same jeans, sandals. So yeah, you can definitely mix and match this top. So this is the very last outfit I have to show you guys. It is this jumpsuit. When I rang this jumpsuit up in store, it rang up for $5. So I don't know, I guess it was on clearance. So I got this jumpsuit for only $5. So that was a pretty amazing deal for me. I was super happy about that. I believe the regular price is $19.99, but I mean, still pretty affordable for something like this. It definitely costs more in other stores, and this one is so comfortable and stretchy, so it kind of conforms to your body. I just paired it with the same yellow shirt, but you can pair this with any shirt underneath. Super cute. As you can see, it has pockets. If you want to like put a little belt around it and make that like a cute little style, you can do that as well. These buttons are functioning, by the way. I did have to wiggle a little bit to get my hips through it because I do have wider hips, but once I got it on, it just feels so comfortable. It's so cute. I'm in love with it. I'm so happy I got this for $5. This isn't an extra large, so I would suggest going with your regular size. Unless you want a baggier look, then you can size up. I love the little distressed details at the bottom there. Again, same sandals. I'm actually gonna roll it up and see what it looks like rolled up, see if I like the leg down or rolled up better. Okay, so this is what one side looks like rolled up and one side looks like with the leg down. So it's a straight leg. It's definitely not like a skinny leg, I would say. So which side do you guys like better? I think I like this side a little bit better. So yeah, let me know in the comments which way you would wear this. Would you roll it up or would you leave it undone? So yeah, this was pretty much the last outfit I had to show you guys, and also it does come in different washes as well. So if you don't like the light wash, it does come in a darker wash. So that brings us to the end of this Walmart haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and a huge thank you to Walmart once again for sponsoring today's video. We love Walmart here on my channel, so of course I was super excited to collaborate with them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.